Welcome back, guys and gals. My name is Rashawn, one half of Nacho Mama's Greens, coming back to you with another cooking video. Alright, and today we have Sloppy Joe's, vegan Sloppy Joe's. Alright, this will be a part of our new series, I guess you can call it, a new series called Recipe Remixes. Alright, so we're going to remix this classic Sloppy Joe recipe, make it vegan. Alright, it's simple. Bring you these ingredients. Alright, so for today we'll be only using 4 ingredients, okay? So we got Kaiser rolls for our buns, got Manwich Original Sloppy Joe sauce. Everything in this is vegan, so you don't have to worry about any meat being in here. All you gotta do is add it, you know what I mean? And for the meat substitute, we'll be using the Ultimate Beefless Ground by Gardein. You can use whatever you prefer. If you want Impossible Meat, Beyond Meat, Lifeline, Light Life Meat, whatever you want to use will probably work. You know what I mean? So today we're going to use the Gardein. And we have about a half a cup of very minced onion. It's very, very minced. You don't want big chunks of onion in Sloppy Joe. Alright, so in this here saucepan skillet, we got about a few tablespoons of olive oil heating up. Alright, we got to make sure it's hot before we add our onions to get them nice and sauteed. Then we'll be adding our Ultimate Beefless Ground in there. Alright, got our oil heated up and in goes our onions. Alright, we're going to get this nice and sauteed until they're very, very, very brown and very, very sauteed and cooked through. You know what I mean? Alright, I now have my onions exactly to where I want them. You know what I'm saying? They sauteed, they crispy, they brown. So, it calls for a whole pound of meat, right, on the back. Pound of meat, you know what I mean? But we got 13 ounces, so we almost there. We're going to throw the whole bag in there. You know what I mean? Whole bag of Gardein Ultimate Beefless Ground. And we're going to mix this up until this ground is nice and defrosted, I guess, right? Just defrosted, because we ain't got to cook it. Alright, so while our meat is getting defrosted, we're going to go ahead and get our buns toasted. Y'all know how I like to do my buns. They gotta be toasted on the skillet, you know what I'm saying? We got the Kaiser rolls cut in half. We're gonna put some butter on the skillet and we're gonna toast them up. Let's get it. Let's toast them buns, cuz. Boom! We got our buns on the skillet. Got some butter in there. Got them on medium-high heat, so we'll get these nice and toasted. Get ready for that Sloppy Joe. Alright, now that our meat is nice and defrosted, got a nice little crispiness on this too. Nice and brown, nice and defrosted. So we're gonna go ahead and add our Manwich sauce. I'm gonna get the can open and I'll be biting. Alright, got our can of Manwich open. Pour it over that crumble. Get this nice and mixed in. Get it nice and mixed in. Yes, sir. I love how it pretty much comes already done. All you have to do is really add meat. But you know me, I always gotta add a little something with the meat. So I got the onion in there too. But they got some, you know what I'm saying, little vegetables in here already. Some peppers. You got some onion in there already. But I make sure, you know what I'm saying, you gotta add some little fresh in there. Fresh. Alright, so we're gonna let this simmer about 10 minutes. Let it heat up. Then we're gonna put on our buns and we're gonna taste it. Alright, we're all done here. Got our buns toasted. Got our Manwich heated up. You know what I mean? Sloppy Joe meat ready to go. You know what I mean? Put that on the bottom bun, slap the top bun on it. That's your final product right there. Time for the taste test. Yes, sir. That's a Sloppy Joe. That's all I can say. Damn, that's pretty good right there. It's simple, it's fast. It's gonna remind you of eating Sloppy Joe when you were a kid. If you know what I'm saying, if you ate Sloppy Joes when you were a kid, meat or vegan, it's pretty good. Alright, thank you guys for joining me on this recipe remix video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put it in the comment section below. We'll get to it. And make sure to drop that, you know what I'm saying, like. Smack that like button. You smack it, alright? If you're new, subscribe and hit that notification bell so it goes straight to your phone when we post a new video. Okay? And that's it for me. I'm going to go eat the rest of my Sloppy Joe. Alright? Deuces.